Is it fine if I don't really like the distance between you and I wanna pull you close to me and be the only one you see. But who am I to keep you by my side when there's so many other guys who make you happier than I do? Is it fine if I still like you? 'Cause I'm not that special and I want the best for you. But even if I'm not that guy, I wanna be the one you're holding, I wanna be the one you're talking to, I wanna see you every morning, but I'm not the only one in love with you. I wanna tell you